Welcome to the October issue of The Ophthalmologist. I'm Mark Hillen, editor, and it's my job to guide you through this month's issue. This month, our cover feature is called Forging Iron Man, and it reports on the first ever use of a robotic assistant in ophthalmic surgery in a live human being. But I'll get to that in a minute. My editorial explores why the advent of robot assistants in the OR is a very timely and necessary advance, as the aging baby boomer generation are going to need a lot of eye surgery for age-related eye disease very soon. Up front reports on the latest and greatest scientific advances this month, including work that might make surgeons able to take stem cells from a stem cell bank rather than having to make them from their patient's own tissue, how the brains of the congenitally blind perform arithmetic, an incredible instrument that involves adaptive optics and unbelievably fast eye tracking that can stimulate single cones in the retina, and what that's revealed about vision, whether general anaesthesia affects IOP, and the latest in the Zika virus and the eye. In my view, has Robert Rich cheerlead iridoplasty in Don't Knock It Till You've Tried It, and Rohit Shetty, Natasha Bhuya and Swaminathan Sethu explain why keratoconus biomarkers need to be combined with corneal imaging to detect and guide the treatment of the disease. Now, the cover feature, Forging Iron Man. I was lucky to be invited to Oxford, England to see the first ever robot-assisted eye surgery in man, the only other media present with the BBC. This feature tells that story, contains video interviews with the surgeon, Robert McLaren, and the chief medical officer and software engineers from the manufacturers of the robot Precise, Mark DeSmet and Martin Beelan. It also charts the rise of the robots across all of surgery and the direction in which it's heading. Surgeons controlling robots with augmented reality from multiple imaging modalities being presented right in front of them, much like a fighter pilot or Iron Man. In Practice contains a great article. Martin de Rasmer gives the history of keratoplasty and explains why fuchs endothelial dystrophy might not be a dystrophy at all, and how this might radically change its treatment. Proficiency's Marco Zarbin writes on analysis paralysis. He presents a simple guide to cutting through the swathes of clinical trial data that's out there. Finally, we sit down with Phil Rosenfeld, Bascom Palmer's Professor of Ophthalmology and Retinal Surgeon Extraordinaire. I hope you enjoy this issue. If you have any thoughts, comments, criticisms or praise, please chime in online at www.theophthalmologist.com. Until next month, goodbye.